Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be an exciting video for me because it is a collection that CATRICE and Essence came out with, which is the Villains and Princess collection. Ever since I saw this collection, I was really excited to try the products that they came out with. Now, I did not pick all of them. Will show you guys what I picked later on this video. This is the makeup look that I created with the products I picked up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by using one of these palettes, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the URSULA palette 01 Port of Fortunate Soul. Okay guys, so I already started by priming my eyes with the primer that I always use. Okay, and I'm gonna be using the blending brush, the area blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the crease. And like I told you guys, I tried making this video so many times that I just got frustrated and I was thinking of not doing it. But I just wanted to show you guys the collection. Now, I'm not sure if the US Essence and CATRICE has it, because I looked all over the website, well, not their website but their Instagram, and the Instagram that I follow from here, they have it, but the one in the States doesn't. So I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and search for it, and if I find it, I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description box in case you guys want to check that out. Now, their pigmentation, it's good for like drugstore eyeshadows, but every time a brand comes out, especially a drugstore brand or even high-end sometimes, comes out with like limited edition stuff, I feel like their eyeshadows are not as good as like their permanent line. That's just what I've noticed with some collections. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that there, and I'm gonna go in with Darkness, which is just brown. And I'm gonna be using the same brush, and I'm gonna be putting that in the crease. But I've tried other things from CATRICE and I like some of their things. Some of their things are like a hit or miss. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a bigger blending brush and just blend everything. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer and do a crease. And you get 12 eyeshadows, and these were 12 under $13. And now I'm gonna go in with the Maleficent eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with Wicked on the outer corner and a little bit on the crease. I'm gonna go in with Jet Sam all over the lid. It's a shimmer color. And I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. I'm gonna go in with Fury, and this is a glitter from the Maleficent palette, and then I'm just gonna apply that on top. So on the lid, you can't really tell, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger just so it can be a little bit more intense. Now for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with that same shimmer and just apply it in the inner corners. I'll show you guys what the glitters looks like. These are the two glitters from the Maleficent, and these remind me a lot of the Wet n Wild eyeshadows glitter. I don't know if you guys have ever tried those, but those are super chunky. They're good, but I feel like you need to apply that with either your finger or a dry brush. Now for this one, I feel like their matte eyeshadows are not as pigmented and they're like chalky. Now this glitter, I feel like it's not as good as these two. And then the purple that I showed you guys, it's not pigmented as all. Like you can't see anything. So yeah, I feel like some of these are good and some of these are like not. But overall, I think like the packaging is really nice and really cute just to have it, at least for me, that I like I'm into Disney and stuff. Yeah, I just think they're cute and something to have in your collection. And I'm just gonna go in with my foundation, my bronzer and all that, and I'll show you guys after I'm done. And I would apply this before you put your foundation on, and that's what I did, but I forgot to record this. I'm gonna apply darkness in my lower lash. Now for the mascara, they came out with the false lash effect with Snow White, and this is what it looks like. I really like their packaging on this collection. Now I don't know if you guys know, but I'm in love with the Sculpted lash, what's it called? Sculpted Lash Effect mascara, which is a purple packaging. The only thing I don't like is that it's not waterproof, but even though it's not waterproof, it really like gives your eyelashes like this volume. If you guys have not tried any other mascaras, I do recommend them, and they're only under $4, I believe. And I'm just gonna curl them real quick. I'm also gonna be applying false lashes, and I do wish they came out with some false lashes. Let me go ahead and apply the now, since the mascara is not waterproof, it doesn't hold my lashes up, but it's fine. I'll show you guys the difference. This is what it looks like. This is the no mascara, and this is with the mascara on. I feel like it really does a great job, and it doesn't make your eyelashes clumpy. Okay, so this is after I'm done applying them to the bottom and top lashes. Today I'm going to be applying some false lashes. You can literally leave your eyelashes like this and it still looks good, but I feel like when I wear color eyeshadows, I like to wear dramatic lashes. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back. So I already applied the false lashes, and I'm not sure what these are called just because I already had them for a while without the packaging. Now I'm gonna be using the Evil Queen highlighter brush. Now, like I told you guys before, I'm not really into highlighter anymore, but I just thought the brush and the packaging was cute, and it has her face on them, and it has her face on it. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but I'm just gonna go in with the Becca highlighter Now I wouldn't use this for highlighter. I'm gonna be using, or maybe if I start using highlighter I will be using it for highlighter. If not, like maybe for the under eye powder. And now for the lips, I'm gonna be using the URSULA. Okay, so this is the only nude color they had in the collection, and this is in Full Satin number 1. I feel like it's more of a peachy nude color. I tried this one without, I put chapstick before I applied the lipstick, and without chapstick it is really drying. I like it more with chapstick or a lip gloss on it. I don't really go for like peachy nude colors, but I mean it's not bad. Now the last thing I'm gonna try is this liquid powder fixing mist with the Snow White. And this is my first time trying something like this. This is a liquid, then it turns into a powder. This was the first thing I saw when they came out their collection that I was excited for. And it smells like baby powder, which I don't mind the smell because it kind of goes away after and you can't really smell it. Look, I like how it turned out, and I'm just gonna go over really quick on the things that I liked and that I recommend and that I will be using again. For the palettes, as you guys know now, it's not something that I'm gonna be using often for grabs. Maybe like the nude colors, because like I said, I tried using like the bright colors and it didn't work out for me. That's one thing that I'm not going to be using often, but it's nice to just have in your collection. I'm also going to be using both of the face mist. Like I said, I used this one before I applied my foundation, and then that's for like a setting spray. And I am going to be using both the brushes. Of course, I'm going to be using that often, just because they're brushes and you can never have too many brushes. So, and they're really cute, I think, to have in your collection. And these were under $4, and the bigger ones were €5. So not too bad. Now the mascara is something that I am going to be using often. I'm gonna be using it every time I do my makeup. For like when I don't wear eyelashes, when I don't wear falsies, I am gonna be using this mascara. So that's something that I'm gonna be using every day, or at least every time I do my makeup and I don't want to wear eyelashes. This is another thing that I won't be reaching for every time I do my makeup, just because it is a peachy color and I'm not really into peachy. I'm more into the brown nude colors. But it is really pretty if you're into peach colors. If you're into like peachy nude colors, it is a nice color. But I would recommend wearing it over like a chapstick, just because without it, it is a bit trying and it like gives your lips that dry, nasty look without it. So yeah, that's something that I will be grabbing every once in a while. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys really like this look and enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.